Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Today we'll be saying how to send WhatsApp messages at a specific time using Python. So let's get started. Go to Google and search for Pywhatkit. Let's download the package using this command. I'm going to use Anaconda Navigator, that is Jupyter Notebook, as my Python IDE, but you can use any other IDE like PyCharm. The code is really simple. First you need to import the package Pywhatkit and then use the function send_what_message. So let's see how it's done. The first parameter is the phone number. I suggest you to put the phone number along with the country code and the plus sign. Second parameter is the message, and third and fourth parameter is the time in 24 hours format, that is hours and minute. So that's it for the code. You need to make sure that you have logged in into WhatsApp web, and the rest is assured. So that's it from this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this cool Python trick. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and let us know if you need any amazing topics ahead. Thank you.